Insert the elastic band into both sides of the chuck gap. Insert the elastic band into the top hole of the hook. Spread the middle of the band and insert the top part of the hook between them. Hold the top part of the hook and the band separately and pull to ensure it is tightly connected. Place part C over the seat, aligning it properly. Insert both straps through the gap between the backrest and the bottom. Pull the front elastic hem to cover and secure the plastic trim. Unfold and slide part B over the backrest with both hands. Insert both straps through the gap between the backrest and the bottom. Unfold and slide part A over the headrest. Secure the headrest by closing the lower Velcro inward. Behind the driver's seat, you should see 4 chucks. Pull these 4 chucks further to secure the cover using the chucks. The installation of the driver's seat cover is now complete. Please install the passenger seat cover using the same steps. Place part A on the seat bottom and insert the chuck deeply. Then, install on the passenger side of the rear seat in the same way. Install part B in the middle by inserting the chuck deeply between and detaching the Velcro tape to connect part A and part B on both sides. Lift the rear seat and tightly connect the chuck and hook if you've inserted the chuck properly between the seats as described. You should see 5 chucks. The method of lifting the rear seat may vary by vehicle, so please refer to your car manuals. Place part C on the backrest, insert the chuck well between the seats, and properly connect the head part. Detach the Velcro tape and attach part D well to both sides of part C. Install part E to the middle headrest of the rear seat as shown in the video. Connect part F to the buckles on both sides of the rear seat. Ensure you pass it under the seatbelt when connecting. Now, send part F behind the seat as shown in the video. Carefully route the seatbelt part as well. With that, the seat installation is complete.
We've got you covered. Coverland.